Hello everyone. Welcome to a video on how to open any program using a .bat file or a Windows batch file. So to do this, we will be using Notepad in order to create the batch file. So we're just going to go to File, Save As, and you can give the program any name, but make sure it ends in a .bat file extension, and change the Save As type to All Files. I will replace my copy. And from here, you can type your batch file script instructions. By default, when Windows starts the file, it will be in the C:\Windows directory. Now, in this directory, you can open any of these files, any of these applications, by just typing their name. So, let's demonstrate this by typing write.exe, which is the name of the WordPad application. So save and open, and here is WordPad. If you want to chain multiple together and open multiple files or applications back to back, you can just type the names one after the other. So notepad.exe is also in that same folder, the C:\Windows. And if we just type the name after that, save, and run the program, it will open both. You can see here is a new notepad that was just opened, and the WordPad. So if we close them, now something to keep in mind is that some programs are blocking, which means the script can't continue until you close the program. So Notepad is one of these examples. So if you have Notepad before WordPad, and you try to save and run, it will open the Notepad, but not the WordPad until after you close Notepad. So, for an example of moving out of this C:\Windows directory, you can type cd, and that means change directory, or change the folder location that you're accessing. And by default, Windows starts on the C drive. But if you have other drives plugged in, say other hard drives or flash drives, CDs, things like that, you can change to those by just typing the drive letter and a colon. So in my case, I keep a lot of files on the D drive, so I'm going to switch to D drive here for this example. And then on the D drive, I will use CD to change to D:\downloads, which is a folder I have. And then in this folder, say I want to open a JPEG. So I can just type the name of that folder, the name of that file, save, and run the program. And Windows will open that file in the default program set up in settings. In my case, that is the Windows 10 Photos program. So, again, in this same folder, you can open any number of things back to back. So here's a different image I would like to open, and you just run it, and there you go. Now they're both open, the 5 version and the 3 version. Say that there is 2 programs you want to open back to back, but they're in different directories, or maybe even on different drives. Well, that's easy to do, just using the same principles. If you want to go back to the C drive, you just type C:, and it'll switch back. Using the same CD command as earlier, you can move anywhere on the C drive, and you could go to users and such, and then you could open any file that is there. You could open exes, which will run by themselves, or just another non-executable file, and Windows will have to figure out which program to open it in. So I hope that has been informative. If there are any questions you still have, feel free to leave a comment, and I will do my best to assist you. Thank you, and have a nice day.